Sharing and taking turn. These two words often used by us in our profession for little children, and we pat our back when we see children are developing their understanding and learning to cooperate, compromise, and coping with the disappointment, while keep looking the adult around for fairness, opportunities, and trust. The juniors doesn't say the words, neither displays any disagreement in the respect and faith on their elders. It continues day one, two, three, four, or more. No one says nothing, and happy ending for all, as everyone having same opportunities, care, and rights to access the resources. We're looking after everyone's needs, skills, and strength and supporting them accordingly. So when we see the quiet child who doesn't speak much and blindly showing trust on the responsible person, and responsible person seems to be unknown, as the child who speaks for everything starts getting everything, who pretends to be lovable and keep coming to hug and cuddle, start taking everything. One day, the quiet child makes eye contact with the responsible people for fairness, but realize it's too late for him because his quietness, trust to be treated fairly, didn't work. His habits became his weakness, and he never been able to say, "Where is mine?" He forgot he has a voice. He forgot he has a rights. He forgot to say, "Stop, now it is my turn." Today, I was observing the play, kicking the ball. Quiet child was sitting alone under the shade. Rest of the children were running, kicking, and responsible person were clapping. Beautiful! The talkative child kept walking to get attention, hugging, cuddling, etc. Suddenly, the ball went to the quiet child and kick! The best kick, I said. All children said, and the responsible person said too. The talkative child had tears in his eyes. No, the best cake was mine. The responsible person were looking at me. We both had eye contact. We both said, "Let's say you both will have one more chance to kick the ball, and we will find the best cake." Again, the best cake kicked by the child who doesn't require the backup. I don't really know the summary of this, but the moral is ball doesn't come to you all the time to get kicked, and you won't be luckiest people who will get recognition by the people you're waiting for. Be smart and stay alert from the cuddling and clever people around who knows how to giggle and wiggle and to trap, betray and harm you any ways they can. So if you remain quiet, you will be counted as no one. तो शांत रहिए जहाँ रहना है, समझदारों की तरह, बेवकूफों की तरह नहीं। और बड़े हों या छोटे, अपने या पराए, कमाल है आप उनका पर्दा रख रहे हैं और वो घुन बनकर आपको ही खोखला कर रहे हैं। तो मायूसी नहीं, अपनी नजरों को उठा कर देखें। बेईमानी नजर में होगी तो झुक जाएगी। ओठों पर मुस्कुराहट हो खामोशी की, विश्वास की, और सजदे में झुके सिर, तो बस उस अदम्य शक्ति के सामने मुझे भी खामोशी पसंद है, व्यर्थ में शोर नहीं करती, परंतु बेजुबान तो नहीं चलिए हूं। जो बच्चे नहीं बोलते उन्हें बोलना सिखाते हैं। धन्यवाद।